Okay, a really easy copper bracelet that most people could make. You're going to need copper, flux and solder. That's it. Simple, make at home. I'll show you how. Okay, for a man wants to be about 7 inches long for your average bloke, but we're going to twist it, so I'll make it about 9. Two of them. And this copper is 3.2 mil. Now, quick twist on this will straighten the copper up. Put them in the vise. Now we're going to twist them. We're going to knock that. We twisted it. Now we're going to knock it flat, just like this. Like I said, it needs to be about 7 inches. So there we go. Now we're going to solder the end. This is normal plumber's soldering wire. Okay, and this is flux. You get this from anywhere, B&Q, wherever you think, anywhere like that. And a gas torch, obviously. That's a normal gas torch. So you're on a bit dip in the flux, put a bit of flux on the end of that, get up through, these are for you just the tags at the ends to stop it separating. Dab a little bit of solder on that. That's it. And that will stop your end separating. It's going to be a bit silver at the end, not copper. But like I say, this is for people to try at home and do themselves. And don't stick it to the vise. So, that's your end. And that'll just keep it together. Do the same, that end. Exactly the same. Now, for a polish, going on the edge, I'm just going to make that side a bit flat. You can do that with a file, or I'll just run my sander over it. Basically now, it's got to sand it up to polish it. Start off with a 400 and work your way up to about 1500 sandpaper. So this is with a 1200. This is my last 1200 grit. You could go down further, but I'm going to polish it. Starting off with a black compound. Gently bend it round. About the right shape. Now, just real easy. Just really easy simple bracelet, just with soldered ends. Nothing splash, but that'll stop it scratching. Or so make one. You can make one at home. Show me pictures of it. Tell me what you think. Have a go at that. Cheers.